What is up? Welcome back to the channel. What do we got going on today? As you can see, the lighting is horrible. Is that better? You can see my face now. Good. As you can see, we got the S10 torn down. Bed is over there. I cleaned, still can't do this, weatherman, whatever. I got the rear end cleaned up. I got the back half out where I cut it off my S10 frame. I cut those pieces off. Everything on that's pretty well good to go. We just got to set the rear at the correct wheelbase this time. Set it for half travel, where that's going to be at. Yeah. And then once we get that, we can, actually I'll probably end up building the four-link first. I'll end up building the four-link first. And then once the four-link is built, then we'll lop off the frame, graft the new back half into it, and we will get this thing rolling. So come along for the ride. Suburban's over here. Suburban's over here, laid out. I still haven't done the sheet metal on it, but the update of that will be coming soon, and I'll let you know what's been going on with me. Why aren't my uploads every week like they were? Do you want to find out? Stick around. Let's get on this S10. All right, what am I doing right now? To establish the correct measurements for, how do I want to say this? To make sure your wheels are centered in your wheel wells, you want to set your rear end, put your rear end in place. You're going to want to set your wheelbase. What is an S10 wheelbase for an extended cab short bed? All right, right there says wheelbase for extended cab short bed is 122.9 inches. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna measure from our lower ball joint, because that stays in the fixed position and that is centered up with your wheel. We're gonna measure from that 122.9 inches back to where the rear end is going to sit for good. So let's get to that. Step one, establish your wheelbase. 122.9 inches, that's what we got. Step two, go grab your plumb bob from the toolbox. Also step two, if you don't have a plumb bob, go get a plumb bob. Then you can go to step three.